Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out tweets on the Flightradar24 application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should go to this search bar section at the top and swipe down till you have this gray section, and then slide to the right side of the screen till you find the tweets button. Tap on it, and here you can find all of the available tweets of the Flightradar24 application. If you want to check it out, just tap on it and you will be directed to their Twitter account, where you can check out all of their posts. You can retweet them, like them, check out comments, and leave your own comment too. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.